Hello, thanks for joining me for another review. Bit of a rushed review. I've not done a load of kind of looking up for this one. Anyway, it's from the Unity Brewing Company and this is their Printemps. I'm probably butchering that up. Spelt Saison 6.5. 6.5 is actually 6% on Untapped. That threw me a little bit. So yeah, a Saison. So 6.5, 440ml can, canned on the 24th of March of 2020, best before the end of March 2021. Reviewing it on the 11th of April of 2020. Printemps, or that word, is our spring Saison inspired by the fresh optimism, growth and light of the season. Optimism this year. Brewed with a heavy dose of spelt malt and generously hopped with UK Cascade from Brook House Hops. So these guys are out of Southampton. They're on social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'll put the links below as well as the website and their Untapped page link. Other ingredients here, contains gluten, barley and spelt, unfiltered, unpasteurised, store cool, drink fresh. 2.9 UK units if you're into that sort of thing. So let's crack it open then. Just a little kind of glass I've got here for this one because as I might have seen before, I'm going into a little tasting with the brewer apparently. So nice, slightly haze. It's not been out of the fridge that long, but yeah, it's kind of a lemony, kind of straw-ish colour, light white head aroma. Wow, I mean, I'm just looking at the so in 2017 it was brewed with nettles and Brett. 2018 was brewed with heavier on the spelt and highly hopped with Amarillo. 2019 brewed with spelt and bay leaves. 2020 brewed with a heavy dose of spelt malt and generously hopped, as I've already said, with UK Cascade. So which you don't get often. Yeah, it's a little bit kind of farmhouse funk. Yeah, that kind of Belgian-esque kind of thing, but not crazy. A little bit of clove, maybe a little bit of bubblegum. A little bit herbaceous if you like. So let's give it a taste. Cheers. Oh, that's nice. Need a bit more in that glass. Yeah, light coriander, a little bit of kind of white pepper, a little bit of spice. Definitely a bubblegummy kind of thing. It reminds me a bit of a Hefeweizen kind of angle, if that makes sense. A little bit funky. That kind of farmhouse funk, but not crazy, just kind of light. Leaving a nice aftertaste. I'm getting a kind of a residue from that initial taste. So UK Cascade. Wow, that's nice. Very clean, very refreshing, lovely kind of spring beer. Yeah, wonderful stuff. In terms of rating then, I don't know, I'll give this beer a, you know what, I really like that. I'm going to give this beer an 8 out of 10. I think it's very pleasant on the palate. It's not over the top. Some of them can be a bit kind of in your face, but this would be, I'd say, a nice one for the kind of, if you're new to the style. But I like this. It's not too overpowering or anything like that. So yeah, 4 out of 5 on the Untapped or an 8 out of 10. Over to Untapped then. This had 549 total check-ins. I don't know if that's throughout the whole of the 3 years, 7, 8, 9. That's actually 4 years, so I don't know. Anyway, 29 the last 30 days. It's had 446 ratings. I don't know whether that's like whether they split up into years each season or what, I don't know. Anyway, 446 ratings, coming in at 3.71. Yeah, I'm giving this an 8, so it's a 4 out of 5. Yeah, really nice. So check out the Unity Brewing Company. We're at Southampton here in the UK. There's the Printemps, Farmhouse, Saison. Very nice, Spelt Saison. There you go. Anyway, check out them guys, and thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next review. Cheers.